Hello students, now I am going to make one video on the numericals on the scalars and vectors. Now both the division are at the same speed and at the same level. It will be better if I make a one video and that will be available for both the divisions. So our syllabus, which is just currently how we have started third topic in our college lectures, online lectures, but the second topic numerical was remaining. So now I am going to solve some of the numericals and that will be useful for your semester exam. Okay, so take first problem of your exercise, page number 29. They have asked you the answer the following question. Show that A bar is I cap minus j cap under root of 2 is a unit vector. We have to show this. First of all, what do you mean by unit vector? The unit vector means whose magnitude is equal to 1. Suppose if you have given, let's see, A bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. If any vector is represented as xi bar plus yj bar, the magnitude of the A bar that will be given as under root of x square plus y square. That is square of the first term plus square of the second term, and the whole term is under square root. If you observe this concept in this numerical or in this problem, you can notice that A bar is 1 upon square root of 2 into I cap minus 1 upon square root of 2 into j cap. So this is the this is the coefficient of our vector. So now A bar is this. So if I want to take a mod of A bar, so mod of A bar is equal to 1 upon square root of 2 bracket square plus, if you observe this minus sign, it is actually like this, 1 upon square root of 2 into I cap plus minus 1 upon square root of 2 into j. It's like that. So if I take 1 upon square root of 2 square plus minus 1 upon square root of 2 square and hold the things in a bracket, so I can get 1 upon square root of 2, the square will be 1 by 2. Here, even though it is a negative, but negative square is positive, I will write 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 will become 2 by 2, that is 1. So answer is 1. So hence we can say that A bar is I minus j under root of divided by square root of 2 is a unit vector. So this is proved. Okay, that was the first problem of your exercise, page number 29. Second question, answer the following question. That was the first question. Now we go to the second problem of this page number 29, question number 2. Answer the following. Second question, if they are saying if V1 bar is equal to 3i plus 4j plus k bar, and we have V2 bar is equal to I bar minus j bar minus k bar. They are asking determine the magnitude of V1 plus V2 bar. Actually, magnitude of V1 plus V2 bar means first you have to add V1 plus V2, then you have to take a mod signature, that is question. So now addition is simply as algebraic addition of नॉर्मल वैल्यू, जैसे हम 5 + 3 8 करते हैं, वैसे हमको वेक्टर्स को भी ऐड करना है. सो v1 बार प्लस v2 बार विल बी 3i बार प्लस 4j बार प्लस k बार प्लस I bar minus j bar minus k bar, like this. Now the same terms will be taken one side, that is 3i plus sin a plus I, then plus 4j minus this j plus k bar minus k bar. So you will get 4i bar plus 3j bar and k minus k will be 0. Now what to do is mod of v1 plus v2 bar, the answer will be square root of 4 square plus 3 square. As we know, 16 plus 9, this is nothing but square root of 25, and answer is 5. So one more thing is, square root of 25 can be minus 5 also, but if they have asking you magnitude, the magnitude is always positive, so take plus 5. That's it. Now we'll go to another problem, that is problem number 5. I am taking the problems which are actually important as per your semester examination. Show that the vectors a bar, 2i bar, 5j bar minus 6k bar, and another vector b bar is given. B bar is I bar plus 5 by 2j bar minus 3k bar are parallel. Okay, we have to show this. Show that a bar equal to 2i bar plus 5j bar minus 6k bar, and b bar is I bar plus 5 by 2j bar minus 3k bar are parallel. Now for doing this, we have two different methods. First method was, we have seen in a scalar product, formula was a bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a into mod of b into cos theta. Okay, if two vectors are said to be parallel, then the angle between them should be 0, and there we can obtain a bar plus b bar is equal to ab. Okay, so this was the first method. Or if you see, or if you follow a vector method, vector product of the two vectors, here will be cross, then instead of AB it should be sin theta. Okay, if two vectors are parallel to each other, theta should be 0, and if the theta is 0, your sin theta will be 0, and a bar cross b bar should be 0. So this is the one method. If we get a bar cross b bar equal to 0, अगर हमको a bar और b bar का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट 0 मिल जाता है, तो हम प्रूफ कर सकते हैं कि वो पैरेलल है. ओके, नहीं तो फिर स्केलर से भी कर सकते हैं, बट इट विल बी अ लॉन्गर मेथड. तो क्या कर देंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल a बार क्रॉस b बार के लिए तरीका है i j k. आप इस तरह से इन तीनों को लिखोगे, यूनिट वेक्टर अलोंग x y z एक्सिस. ओके, हियर यू विल राइट 2 5 minus 6, 2 5 minus 6, 2 5 minus 6. Here coefficient of this one is 1, 5 by 2, and it's minus 3. Okay, now जैसे कि आपने 10th स्टैंडर्ड में डिटरमिनेंट्स में किया था, I bar you will multiply them to 5 into minus 3 minus of minus 6 into 5 by 2. Okay, ये हो जाएगा I के, माइनस जे बार ये रो और ये कॉलम छोड़ के 2 इंटू -3 माइनस ऑफ -6 इंटू 1 एंड लास्ट के बार इन ब्रैकेट के बार ये रो और ये ब्रैकेट छोड़ो 2 इंटू 5/2. So here 5 into -3 will be -15 and if you see minus will become plus, -15 plus 15. If you can solve at your home you will come to know 5 into -3 -15. This minus will become plus, 6 into 5 30 divided by 2, that is again 50. Minus j into 2 into -3, that is -6, minus will become plus 6. And last k 2 into 5 10 minus 5 minus 5. At last you get 0 I bar plus 0 j bar plus 0 k bar, that is nothing but 0. So when we say that a bar cross b bar equal to 0, therefore the two vectors are parallel to each other. ठीक है? Similarly, remember one thing, if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, अगर वो दो वेक्टर दूसरे को परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं तो उनका स्केलर प्रोडक्ट 0 होता है, और जब वो पैरेलल होता है तो उनका वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट 0 होता है. जब हमने कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पढ़ी थी वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट की और स्केलर प्रोडक्ट की, उसमें क्लियर मेंशन किया, आप जाके देखिए कि कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है. इफ टू वेक्टर्स आर सेड टू बी पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, then their cross product, that means cross product is 0, vector product is 0. और अगर दो वेक्टर्स एक दूसरे को परपेंडिकुलर है तो देयर साइन प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज 0. दैट्स इट.